Hello guys, today I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to change the default web browser on your Windows 10 machine. This is particularly important when you're out in the field at the MVA locations since they've upgraded some of their PCs to Windows 10. Um, we found that the DIWAS web application is not compatible with Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is Microsoft's latest web browser, which is the default web browser in Windows 10 operating system. Um, what happens if you try to use Microsoft Edge um, at the MVA locations to access DIWAS, you'll have a problem printing. And what the MVA is telling you to do right now is to switch the default browser to Internet Explorer 11. Internet Explorer 11 is built into Windows 10, but we need to make it the default web browser so you're able to use DIWAS out in the field. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. I have a Windows 10 opened up on my screen here, and I'm just going to go to, on the bottom left hand side, the Start button, little Windows button here, and then I'm going to go to see this little cog here. If I hover over it, it says Settings. That's the Settings button. And then I'm going to go to Apps right here under Windows Settings. And then on the left-hand side, you'll notice a few options here, but what I'm looking for is default apps. So I'm going to go ahead and click on default apps. Once I'm there, I'm going to scroll down, hover on the right-hand side of this window. I'm going to scroll down to where it says web browser. So you'll see right here, Microsoft Edge is the current web browser. And in Windows 10, just like I mentioned earlier, Microsoft Edge is the default Windows browser. So that you're always going to see that in Windows 10. So we're going to go ahead and click this to change it. And you'll see the three options. Now I installed Google Chrome web browser on here, so that's why it shows up as an option, but I'm going to want to select Internet Explorer. And what this does is it changes the default browser to Internet Explorer 11. Microsoft gives you a message saying, hey, Microsoft Edge is the new, latest, fastest browser for Windows 10, but you want to select Switch anyway to change that browser. And you notice here it changed it to Internet Explorer as the default web browser. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, and then I'll open up DIWAS. I'm going to go ahead and double click on the MVA DIWAS icon that's on the desktop, and you'll see right away that it's using Internet Explorer 11 just by the way it looks, but that's the default browser. So that's all you have to do to change the default browser in Windows 10. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to anybody at the help desk. Thank you.